Hi, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness to give you my favorite total hip replacement exercises. These are level 3 exercises. So if you have not seen level 1 or level 2, make sure you check those two videos out because those two videos help you through the beginning after you've had surgery. Level 3, obviously, you should be well into your rehab to start beginning and doing these exercises. So please check out those videos. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thanks for tubing in, and I hope you get something out of this.
Stand behind a chair. Reach out and place both hands on the backrest. To exercise the affected knee, move the other foot backwards slightly and just touch the big toe onto the floor. Don't use the rear leg in this exercise, it is there to stabilize you. Keep your gaze horizontal, your back straight, and start the squats with the affected leg. Bend the knee and then rise back up. Repeat. If you feel strong enough, lift the rear foot off the floor and carry on with the single leg squatting. Bend and lower on the affected knee down and then come back up. Repeat. Bring your rear leg down and redistribute your weight evenly on both feet. Start in a standing position. Stand on your affected leg and then take 2 steps forward with your other leg. Return to the starting position and now take 2 steps sideways with your other leg and return to the starting position. Lie on the bed on your side with your affected leg on top. Bend your lower leg. Keeping your upper leg straight, raise it towards the ceiling. Hold for 3 seconds and then lower your leg back to the starting position. Start from a neutral standing position. Shift your weight over to your affected side. Balance on your affected leg, bend the other knee and lift your foot off the floor. Lift your arms out to the side for balance. Close your eyes and hold in this position. Return to the neutral position. Open your eyes. Stand in front of a chair and hold on firmly. Raise one leg to the side and then return back to the starting position. Complete 1 set, then repeat with your other leg. Stand with both legs straight and at hip width apart. Hold on to a wall or supportive object for balance. Rise up onto your toes, keeping your legs straight, and control the movement back down to the start position.